nagkandak tayo ng mga cyber patrolling at we will find out kasi yung pinag-usapan doon, yung fake documents. So kami naman ay more on online aspect ng investigation. Meron tayong doon sa article ng 154 yung sa unlawful publications and of course yun ang fake news yun pertaining especially that will create chaos or harm the peace and order. So yun ang pwede natin ikaso doon. Then aside from that, kung may falsification of document. So sa ating mga kababayan na maging responsible tayo, huwag tayo mag-share o mag-post ng mga hindi natin siguradong impormasyon. So it will create confusion and of course disorderly sa ating community. So let's always be responsible to have truthful informations that being posted and published.